Well, touted as one of the nation's first mass vaccination or testing sites, San Francisco will be shuttering the site at Piers 30 and 32 on Tuesday. KTVU's Christian Captain joins us now live, and Christian, city health officials say they can make this move because it's really served its function now.
Yeah, that's right. If you take a look, you can see that this high-volume testing center is open for now. A few vehicles starting to leave. But with so many people vaccinated in San Francisco, the city is saying it can begin a more targeted approach to testing rather than mass testing sites like this one. The once busy high-volume testing site at Piers 30 and 32 on the Embarcadero just south of the Bay Bridge was quiet Friday. Health officials say with COVID rates dropping, they'll be closing this testing site June 15th.
What we're doing is we're shifting our focus to those places in the city where we've seen the most case rates. And so we are actually expanding hours, for example, in Alameda, and continuing our neighborhood sites.
Health officials say when this site opened in April of 2020, it was among the first mass testing sites in the nation. At that time, close to 13.5% of tests came back positive. Compare that to now, when only 0.6% of the tests are positive for COVID-19. Health leaders say the city's strategies of testing and now vaccinations are working.
We are really looking at increasing our vaccine rates, continuing to further those efforts, and then targeting our testing to those places where there might continue to be under vaccination.
City leaders announced that San Francisco has officially reached 80% partial vaccination. 70% of the city are fully vaccinated. That means once bustling mass vaccination sites like Moscone are quiet as well. But they're still open and operational, looking to reach the remaining unvaccinated population. Those who've been vaccinated say it's given them a sense of relief.
I think I waited until it was my age group. I just wanted to be able to hang out with my parents and feel safe about it. I wanted to go back to work and feel safe about it.
City health leaders say they learned hard lessons that will make them better prepared for the next pandemic. And they say going into the fall and winter, the city will continue to test for COVID-19, even as flu begins to spread through the city.
How this generally works through the flu season is that as we get into the winter season and there's a lot of different viruses circulating, generally the healthcare systems do test for different viruses, and it's expected that COVID will be one of those viruses that get tested for.
This high-volume testing site has conducted nearly 500,000 COVID-19 tests, and the city says 99% of those patients got their results in just 36 hours. Health experts say that quick turnaround was a critical step in slowing the spread of disease in the city. And there's one more piece of good news that the mayor just tweeted out about an hour ago. She said in a tweet that there will be a live fireworks show in San Francisco this year for July 4th. So certainly a lot to look forward to this summer and certainly in the months ahead, hopefully. We're live in San Francisco. Christian Captain, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Great way to celebrate the milestone that San Francisco's reached. Christian, thank you so much.